my channel. If you're not new, welcome back. I'm Ashley Michelle and I'm back again with another video. And today we're going to be discussing this beautiful middle part, long hair on my head. Okay, so what I need you to do is to make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And now, without further ado, let's get into this video. So, as you guys saw from the intro, this hair is nothing to be played with, you guys. She is nice, long, she's super full, and she's flowy. She's truly summer hair, okay? If you're planning on having the summer that I'm having, she's summertime hair, okay? This hair is from Renee Fox Hair, you guys. She's from Renee Fox Hair. She sent me over 3 bundles in a closure. My inches for my bundles were 20, 22, 24. And then my closure was 18 inches. So y'all just know, like, all of those, they give like this natural layered effect, and it's just beautiful. It's beautiful. It's top tier. This is actually a really long 24. Like, I've had 20, maybe, I don't know. I know for a fact that it varies company to company, but this is a long 24. Let me show y'all. Let me just stand up and show y'all for a second. Y'all, 24, she stopped. What 24 you know? What, I'm gonna ask you again. What 24 do you know that's giving the game like this? Oh, sorry. But what 24 do y'all know that's really giving it to us like a 28? Truthfully, I'm 5 feet. I ain't never had no 24 do me like this. I told you guys the inches of the hair. Now let me tell y'all the texture and stuff. So this is Brazilian Body Wave. As you see, she straightens bone straight. She's bone straight right now. She's soft. She's very much clouds. She's really soft. She's really soft, and look at that. Look at the movement. She's really pretty. And if you want to watch the video of me constructing this wig so that you can actually see like the original wave, I will have that in the cards right now. But she's just, you know, your typical body wave. She was really big though. She was really full, and like even while straight, she's giving the girls thick. Okay, she's giving the girls body. Truthfully, like, she not one of those skimpy. No. I fit mainly all 3 bundles. Like, literally I had like a piece maybe this long left of my 20-inch, but very much all 3 bundles pretty much fit in this wig. And I, you know, for her to be so full, this is only 3 bundles. This is only 3 bundles, you guys. Hair super flowy. I mean, like, this is why I'm saying it is summertime hair, because, you know, in the summertime, you outside, you're walking. And today in my city, it was 70 degrees. It was 70 degrees today. And I went outside with no brush, no comb, none of that. I'm telling the honest God truth, no crosses. None of that. And when I tell y'all this hair has been like this all day, she's been like this all day. And I don't know about y'all, but I'm one of those people, I don't know what it is, but I hate brushing and combing my hair. Like, especially if I have weave. I hate brushing and combing my hair in public. It just gives me a sense that people, like, I don't know, I just be thinking that people think that I feel like I'm that. And I don't. I don't want nobody to think that I'm thinking I'm, you know, hyping myself, none of that. I don't know why I just don't like feeling like that. I hate brushing and combing my hair. It just makes me feel so vain. So I don't like doing it. So I really can honestly, truly appreciate some hair that I don't have to do that with. Like, when I tell y'all, she didn't puff up on me. She didn't puff up on me. She didn't tangle on me. The naping I got, like, which is like the tangles that you get like right there on your, like, your neck. That's called naping. When I tell y'all less than minimal. And my real hair, like, if I was to straighten my real hair would nape like crazy. But she didn't really nape that bad. I'm wearing this hair actually for a couple days now. That's why the video was actually supposed to be out a couple days ago. But I've been wearing it for a couple days. Because I really want to make sure that I'm promoting hair that is quality. And that, you know, I'm not steering you guys in the wrong direction. So she doesn't tangle that much. Like, tangling is very much to a minimal. Shedding, very close to non-existent. Like, she does not shed really at all. And I cut my wefts while making this wig. I got into that. Now let me talk a little bit about the company. Renee Fox, they are so sweet. Like, First of all, her customer service is immaculate. Like, the communication was very much there. From her reaching out to me to send me the hair, to her shipping off the hair, to it getting to the FedEx, every step of the way, I was notified, we were communicating, and I really loved it. I could really appreciate that, because it's not like, you know, I feel like we kind of built the rapport with each other, and I really can appreciate that. Also, she sent me these lashes I have on right now. I have the box right here. And this is the box that the lashes came in. They are it's so pretty. Forget my nails. Don't even focus on my nails. But look, it's like a little drawer here, and then you just take it and it just slides up like that. It's so, you guys, it's so pretty. It's so cute. But yeah, these lashes are in the style Jasmine, and they are super cute. I'm gonna get close so that you guys can see them. They are super cute. Yeah, so this hair, very much worth it. I will have her website linked below, because I highly recommend you guys go and check them out. Like, this hair, oh my, it's like, it's only so much that I can actually tell you. Like, honestly, truthfully, you're just gonna have to get it for yourself and come back to me and be like, girl, you put me on, because I'm putting y'all on. Truthfully, I'm putting y'all on right now, okay? One thing that I actually did have a little, not really a issue about, but something that was just different or new to me, is the knots on this closure are very predominant. Of course, there are ways to finesse it, because, you know, when there's a will, there's a way. But definitely, like, I bleach the knots. I always bleach the knots on every unit or closure, whatever I get, I bleach the knots. And the knots were still, I could still see the knots. When I tried to go through and pluck hair, it was very much, I don't want to say a struggle. It wasn't a struggle. It just, the knots, they give me the feel that the hair is very secure into the closure. Because I usually don't pluck my parts. I just go through and I just pull the hairs up. Of course I did it. I got the job done. But like, those, they were in there, okay? So this gives me, I'm not one of those closures that's gonna bald after 30 days. And honestly, it's like a catch-22, because obviously, you know, you don't want your knots to show, but you also don't want closures or lace products in general, period, to, you know, shed and bald. And that is actually an issue that I've had in the past with other hair companies. Like, you know, you'll wear their frontal for a couple days, and after a while, you know, your lace right here is literally just lace. There's no hair left. This closure definitely gives me, I'm not gonna do that to you, and I got your back. I got your back. Like I said, there's ways to finesse it. Makeup, girl, just put some makeup on it. Who's gonna be able to tell? Nobody's gonna be able to tell. And honestly, it's really not too much left to say about the hair. Like, good hair is good hair. She talks for herself. She speaks for herself. She don't need nobody to talk about her. She's a strong, independent black woman. Also, Renee Fox Hair is a black owned company. So of course, I'm going to tell you guys, if it's black owned and it's quality, I'm always gonna promote that. Always. I'm always gonna tell you guys to go spend your coin. Always. It's not like, you know, she's black owned, but the quality's not there. The quality is here. Okay? The quality said, hold on, I'm not missing an action. All right? Definitely I'm gonna put her Instagram in the description box. I'm gonna put her link to her website in the description box. I'm also gonna put the link in her Instagram, and her link also will be in the pinned comment. And you know what, just to make it 3 again, because like I said, 3 times the charm, I'm gonna put it in the cards. I almost made a definitive statement on which side it's gonna be. Never do that, but I'm gonna put it in the cards, on whichever side it's gonna be here. You're gonna see it right now. Obviously, after you've watched this video, go and check her out. But I really do recommend you guys go and visit her website, invest in black business, and invest in yourself, okay? Because this hair, like I said, for the umpteenth time, is quality. So I'm gonna stand up again and show you guys just the movement of this hair really quickly. She moves, y'all. Like, I was walking and the hair just be flowing behind me, just like a cape or something. Like, just give me that, you know? This hair is giving me very much, you're just 30 inches in the way.
If you're 30 inches in the way, then it'll happen.
All right, you guys. So as you just saw, she moves. Okay, stiff wear, not my hair. Sorry. I know this video was quick, but honestly, like I said before, I really do strongly urge you guys to go and check out her website and her Instagram. I will have both of them linked. I notice sometimes that products actually also have a big effect on the hair, like when you're styling it and stuff like that. So like I said, this hair is bone straight, it's flat iron. So let me just show you guys the products that I used, just so that if you do, Siri, nobody's talking to you. No, it's not 1 sec. But just in case you guys do choose to purchase this hair, I want to make sure that you know, you want to get the same results that I did, I'm letting you know the products that I use as well. So to straighten her out, I've used the Chi Silk Infusions as my serum, and I also used my Conair Infinity Pearl flat iron to straighten her out. I feel like people always actually ask me about my flat iron, so most of the time I have those linked in my description box. Of course, it's going to be in the description box below. So the Chi Silk Infusions, and I also use one more thing, but I have to find it. And I also use the Garnier Fructis flat iron perfector. This is a straightening mist, but it's also a heat protectant. Protects up to 450 degrees. And yeah, I really love this stuff. And it's not hairspray, it's just a mist. I'll spray you guys. Yeah, it's just a light mist. Smells really spring-like. It's just light mist that you spray on your hair from a distance before you flat iron it, just to protect your hair from the heat, the direct heat, and it also maintains frizz and things of that nature. Yes, I just was making sure that you guys saw the products that I used to straighten this hair, because like I said, if you guys do invest your money in it and you're looking for this exact result, I'm gonna show you the exact products that I use to get this exact result. Okay, so I just want to make sure I give a really big thank you to y'all who watched to the end. Make sure you stay tuned for the next video.